Obahi bebre ano pokuare no mawano asante kotokono no soni ebedi akon aboabo ho etuone tone sakra aboankwa ye de etiribeto asem frititio efrititio odmankoma ade no yamfa anto de da na efrato odmankoma ba ade oba asante kotokokofo okon afrana nanom yakon anu ohye Kotoko jemi bi okunfo ne ye ekun bia ebedi na nti asie wom asante kotoko no no edina nkrofo ti di eti pimpim konfo hu bi bia mfa ni timpim duem ahempo asante kotoko boafo akon na na sa etu no no aye kunumado aje aye kubu aferi o anasa wa be kunim benu o I kunumado I nana sa to bring ponya anasa wa me dom ne ku
Ale ankara ya to yasafre mo se obi aba na kana kuma se obeboa de ye na papa yesi enso se ye peja ya amane ne ya amamela e wa kwesiko bokro na ye bi aduru aboboa ya asanteman na kaga na manyina no na wasore we na nani ala wo ye ga nani die na waba na obeboa na aye fefefe Pentecost asafo a ewo kuruha na otokuye bitani omo ade aba esa ye na ye famoa ye da ye so ayaso na ye pese ipeja sentiment na kaga na man na owura ebi a efra no da safo wo so asom ewo Pentecost asafo wo so ebita otokuye se ye famoa When you
just now was in Brazil. But you do so when you go where what do you know? About the most when you have when you in the gala, what has happened? What is our so it will be another. What to be French? That's the brain and the dog. One I did the man and walk where the man waiting. About him and the dog. I have to better creature. Never him out the enemy. Then I'm pretty folk that we are paying and have was war. She don't be hitting our grandchildren in to food. What's it? What would that? What would you do? The crony. And I'm all the boss of Baba. Young lady. Young lady. Come to all away. You know, this is also at the Zafaya and the then I age him out. Then I age him out. Till I have that's fine. What bring her there?
Nana Kuneduya Kumeni the Fourth, the special representative of the Asante Hene. Nana Hemano, Nana Ekuoma Sempre Muchesijima, Asante Hene, distinguished and special invited guests, Honorable Yula Alaku, Honorable Consul of Ghana, and Honorary Consul General of Albania, distinguished and special invited guests, Nanano, Nime, Name, Tokyo, Mamao, leaders of various Ghanaian associations and leaders of the various African associations that have come here to support this group, fellow Ghanaians, ladies and gentlemen. The Embassy of Ghana to Finland is very proud indeed to be here this evening to be part of this very colorful celebration. Let me congratulate the Asante Manpo and its leaders, and indeed all Ghanaians and all of us gathered here today for this very impressive ceremony that we have all enjoyed. As always, Ghanaians in Finland have once again made Ghana proud. You have successfully tapped into the centenary celebration of Finland with this wonderful cultural festival depicting the swearing in of the Asante Hene to the Asante Hene Nana Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Your continued commitment to demonstrate your identity and exhibit our rich traditions and heritage in this foreign country is highly commendable and is worthy of emulation. I want to encourage you to keep it up. Nana Emano, ladies and gentlemen, I also warmly praise our Finnish friends and family who have learned our culture and shared our lives and opened their country to us, including the highly popular Ula Alaku, our distinguished honorary consul, whose love for Ghana is legendary. Ghana and Finland have had a long-standing bilateral cooperation spanning so many years, and it is my hope, and the hope of the government indeed, that through such events such as this one, we can further strengthen ties between our two countries. Nana Hemano, ladies and gentlemen, the interest of the government of Ghana in its citizens abroad, and specifically in their contribution not only to the economic growth of Ghana, but to the culture and traditional state in Ghana, has led to the establishment of the Ghana Statehood Project in 2012. Now, this project is to undertake a comprehensive research into the history and chronology of royal families, towns, and villages in Ghana. The mandate of the project is to publish state books with authentic histories of all the 280 traditional states identified in Ghana. So far, it has published only 3. As part of the 60-year celebration of independence, the government of Ghana, through the book project, has therefore decided to organize various diaspora forums in our missions abroad. And the purpose of these forums is to hold discussions with the leadership of the various Ghanaian associations and the various Ghanaian churches to create an environment or a platform for Ghanaians living abroad to participate and contribute to the documentation of the history of all traditional states in Ghana. The purpose again is also to strengthen the lineage ties between families in Ghana and their relatives abroad. Again, the project is to ensure that all Ghanaians living abroad, you have adequate knowledge of your histories and our traditions, and also to solicit the support of Ghanaians in the diaspora for this project. All these things are being done in a bid to protect and preserve the rich Ghanaian heritage for our own children and also for posterity. In this regard, therefore, a forum for our region will be held in Germany this December 2017, which will require your participation and contribution through whatever means. It is our hope that with your very rich experience in the cultural heritage of your various groups, you will be willing and you will be able to participate when the time comes. Allow me, therefore, Madam, ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, to take this opportunity to once again thank the leadership for inviting us and also to express our appreciation to all of you gathered here this evening, coming from far and near, and the support that you have contributed to make this wonderful program a success. I wish that Ghana will live long. I wish that Finland will live long. And I pray that you will all go home blessed in Jesus' name. Thank you very much and enjoy your dinner.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear Ghanaians and Ashanti, you are special. I am so proud of you and so touched. This cultural celebration and festival has been very great. So thank you very much. And I am proud also that this culture is living so much here in Finland, and I am sure that next century will learn with this too. So thank you very, very much. Ghana has celebrated 60 years of independence this year, and also Finland has celebrated 100 years of independence, and this cultural festival is part of that too. So thank you very much.
Yes.
For this. So thank you.
That is Her Excellency Ghana Consul in the Republic of Finland. Thank you very much.
Juliana, who have a few words for us.
Yes, thank you very much. Your Highness and your new Highness in Finland. Yes. And ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, dear really, and everybody. I thank you very much, and I thank Ulla, my colleague, who is really a good example among the honorary consuls in Finland, for her great contribution to your community. You know that. And I thank you for inviting me from time to time. I am very honored to be here today and to meet Your Highness and others. And allow me to thank you specially, to thank the Ghana government and the Ghana people for the recognition of the independence of Kosovo some months ago. Kosovo is an Albanian population, and I am from Albania, of course, but we appreciate very much. Thank you very much, and my best regards to your government, to your country, to everybody, for giving us this great point for Kosovo to become a member of the United Nations, finally free after so many centuries of being an occupied country. Thank you, and long live Ghana!
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Mancheme, Manyeme, Nime, Name, Bekebi, Onupan, Kitchen water will be a name. What the dampe, Yemimape, Efe, Niwabacha, Asanti might be here. I may come here, Mother, come and you won't Rapia was saying. No, maybe there, get a mention war. Ni Manche, Nana, Proba, Supremo, Jesse. Jima, ọjọ́ nàkàìní, nàkàìní ọ̀hún. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n á bọ̀ tiri nkwa wọ́n á bọ̀ tiri nkwa wọ́n dànù wọ́n ṣe. Wọ́n mẹ́lẹ̀ bí náà kẹ́ni wọ́n bá bí ẹ̀ náà wọ́n wá bí àná wọ́n yẹ sẹ́. Kẹ́wọ́n ẹ̀ wọ́n ẹ̀ fi ọwọ́ ní wọ́n jọ ní wọ́n ọbẹ̀ ní wọ́n àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n bí ẹ̀ náà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìrọ̀ àdó wọn kẹ́yẹ́ wọ́n nílé ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ́n mú wọ́n bà wọ́n ní máa jọ ọ̀bù.
Hey,
Railway Association, they are also here to make presentation, cash presentation, to Asantima. Now we to give us some contemporary Ghanaian dance. Be very quick about that. After that, Bro Hafo will follow. So Bro Hafo should get ready.
Make you know what it. Tomorrow I go there for your body. When I see my baby, I go give you all my love and I'm never gonna let you go. Hey, go tell your mommy, say me I get plenty money. Hey, so when she don't complain, give her like a mochi ninjole. You be my baby, and they never gonna grab the reason why I love you so. Hey, if I need my Jamaica and America to Bombay. See, I've been all around the world on my journey. I know there's nobody cause if you know it. Everywhere I go, people wanna know if I am alone, they see me on the low. So I tell them no, I get somebody alone. Then I pick up the phone and I tell her I'm coming home. You see my baby, my baby, my baby, oh. In Canada. We got another one, baby. We got another one, baby. Baby, I'm come on your knee, I'm lady. Oh, yeah, me, I'm lady. Everywhere I go, baby, for no say, you be number one girl. My number one girl. You didn't get it, baby. I go back to my boy. We never go. We never go. We can't, baby, my go.
I can't be a bad share. I'm not a pro champion.